everyone, this is Michelle from GCE Education Hub. Today we'll be going through how to find area using map scale. So let's go! Generally, students are confused over ratio. Alright, so we'll go through an example involving area. So same thing. Alright, if you see 1:40,000, what does it mean? Alright, 1 cm, alright, on map, alright, represents 40,000 cm on actual. Okay, so now we're going to find area instead of length. So you can see that the question wants us to find the area of the pool. Okay, if it is 10 cm square on the map. Okay, so they want us to find the actual area in terms of kilometer square. So we're going to convert from centimeter, alright, to kilometer square. Okay, and how does it work? So what I'm going to do now is, first of all, we're going to convert centimeter to km so that the values will be smaller for us to manage. So to convert centimeter to kilometers, we will divide by 100 and then divide by 1,000, which gives us 0.4 km. Okay, so let's consider a map here, and this is our actual. So this is map and actual. So say if we have a length here which is 1 cm, okay, which represents 0.4 km, okay, on the actual scale. So what we're going to do is, now we're going to find the area of a square, which is 1 cm by 1 cm, which gives us 1 cm square. Alright, likewise for the actual area, it is 0.4, okay, times 0.4, which gives us the area of 0.16 kilometer square. So from here, we can see that the ratio of 1 cm square is actually to 0.16 kilometer square. Alright, so we can now convert the length ratio, okay, to area ratio. Okay. In the simplest form, you can also do this in exam. You can just take a bracket and square it. Alright, so it will be faster. Now, the squaring actually is represented by the diagram here. So next is we're going to find 10 cm square. So in order to find what is 10 cm square on the actual, so you can see that we're just going to multiply by 10, alright, and multiply by 10, and that gives us 1.6 km square. Okay, now let's look at the second part. Alright, so we're going to use the previous scale again. So from the previous part, we have 1 cm square is to 0.16 km square. So the question now is, if the actual area of a house is 4 km square, what is the area represented on the map? Alright, so you can see that if you want to get from here to here, actually all you need to do is you can take 4 divided by 0.16, alright, which gives you 25 cm square. Alright, now if you're not familiar with this method, you can also reverse the diagram, reverse the ratio, meaning, okay, you can take 0.16 km square is to 1 cm square. And at the end of the day, our aim is to find 4 km square. Alright, so always find 1 km square, which is 1 divided by 0.16. Okay, so from here to here, we divide by 0.16. And from here, we divide by 0.16. And then next, we will times here by 4. And we will times here by 4. So you can see that it's actually also 4 divided by 0.16 cm square, which also gives us 25 cm square. So this is how you find area using map scale. If you find the content we are sharing useful, remember to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.